In front of me is HUAWEI Y7a, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on this device. So at first you need to locate settings, then go to about phone, and now locate build number. Here it is. So once you see build number, you need to tap on it 7 times, then enter your screen lock password if you have one, and as you can see, now you are a developer. Let me go back and then go to system and updates. As you can see, developer options appeared right here. Click to open, click on them to open, and now you can smoothly use all the features. You can perform all the operations that are included here. And for example, if you would like to see touches, just tap on show touches, and from now on they will be visible. As you can see here, you've got the sign. Then you can turn it off the same way. And this is how you can reach all developer options. Then whenever you would like to switch them off, you just unmark the switcher. As you can see, they disappeared. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.